Hello, it is Monday, May 12th. This is Miss B, and we're going to do lesson 713 today. This is your warm-up, so I hope you have out your notebook, a pencil, and have a calculator ready. You have a bag of marbles with 3 red, 4 green, 5 blue, and 6 yellow. What is the probability of picking a marble without looking? So first, like always, I suggest that you start your fraction with a word fraction. You can abbreviate, and we are looking for blue. So that always goes on the top, whatever you're looking for, and total goes on the bottom. So fill in those 2 numbers. Then I want you to create the decimal and then the percent. All right, I know that there are 5 blue, and when I add up the red, green, blue, and yellow marbles, I got 18. Then, hopefully you are remembering that all fractions are division problems. You'll do 5 divided by 18 on your calculator. And even though you get a long string of decimals, we only take it out to the hundredths place, and we will use rounding. If you're using one of the yellow calculators, the last number, when you've got those repeating 7s, will show you how to round up. So our answer should be 0.28. For 28 hundredths, all percents are out of 100, so that is 28%. You today will find probabilities of compound independent events, and you will determine whether pairs of events are dependent or independent. When you studied probability in earlier lessons, you focused on probabilities of single events. For example, one draw of a card or picking 1 cube from a bag. You also examined probabilities of either one or another of 2 events occurring. For example, excuse me, winning either a raffle ticket or cash, drawing either a king or queen. In this lesson, you will begin to investigate when one and another event both occur, such as flipping 2 coins or spinning a spinner multiple times. So way back in chapter 1, we met Chris and her older sister Rachel, who made a system for determining which one of them washes the dishes each night. Chris has been washing the dishes much more than she feels is her fair share. So she has come up with a new system. She has proposed to Rachel that they get 2 coins, and each day she and Rachel will take a coin and flip their coins at the same time. If the coins match, Chris washes the dishes. If they do not match, Rachel washes the dishes. Rachel thinks this is a good idea and that her little sister is very silly. She thinks to herself, since there are 2 ways to match the coins, heads and heads or tails and heads, and only one non-match, heads and tails, then Chris will still wash the dish more often.
locked out of technology this morning. For attendance, if that is the case for you, please write down the names of the missing students in your advisory and send a student down to the attendance office. Don't call the attendance office, as those calls will be